Driving Academy is the best truck driving school in the country. We help our students get on the road to freedom by helping them get a CDL license. Driving Academy is unique for a few different reasons. We have guaranteed training courses where we can actually guarantee that our students walk away with their CDL license. We're open up 7 days a week, which means our students get to pick the schedule that fits their needs. We also offer payment plans, so all you need is a little as $500 down to get yourself started. Students enroll in our program to actually get a CDL license and get themselves on the road to freedom. Freedom could mean being able to make more money as a truck driver with our lifetime job placement program. It could mean being able to travel the country and see all the beautiful states that we have here. And it also could mean starting your own business, purchasing a truck, and getting yourself on the road to freedom that way. Driving Academy is a one-stop shop for anybody looking to get a CDL license. In order to get a CDL license, there's a two-step process. Step number one, you're first going to have to pass a few different written tests to get yourself a CDL permit. Step number two, you're going to have to pass a 2.5-hour long road test to get your actual license. So we have courses that we're going to start you off in our classroom to prepare you for those written exams for that permit. Then you're going to move into our hands-on yard and road training to prepare you for the road test. And then we're actually going to give you the test at our own third-party testing site, which means you don't have to go to any DMV to get tested. That means that we can accept you from any state that you're coming in from. The other cool thing is when you graduate, we'll help you find a job with our lifetime job placement program for the rest of your life. Our instructors have years of experience to help you get your CDL license. We're here to help you be successful every step of the way. It's our guaranteed flexible training courses, our lifetime job placement, and our dedicated team that makes Driving Academy one of the world's greatest.